Hey y'all, it's your girl back again with another video. So I just wanted to come to you guys really quick to do a review on a shake that I'm drinking now. I've been like trying like a lot of different types of shakes to do like for the morning because I don't like to, sometimes I don't like, you know, really want to eat really heavy. I mean, but some days you be hungry, whatever. So, but for those days, you know, you don't want to eat anything. I found a great shake. It is called Ample. The kind that I have is the Ample K, so it stands for Keto. So they have 3 different types of drinks. I believe there's like plant-based one, and I forgot the other one, but I'll put the link below. You guys will see it. But this is the Ample K, so this is the one with the ketogenic, it's ketogenic and stuff. So I really like the taste. It has like a really good taste. It's very creamy, and it has like a coconut flavor. So when I got it off of Amazon. I got it in the package. I did the 2-day delivery, whatever, and like I was thinking that it was going to be already like made up already. I thought it was gonna be pre-made pretty much, but I was surprised. I was like, I opened the box and I was like, why is it so light? It's just the powder, and it like they just put the powder in there. I was like, I know it's kind of bright, you guys can't see a little bit. So, but pretty much all you do, they have it pre-portioned in a bottle. You just put water up to this notch, shake it, and then fill it up. And you want to make sure it's cold water. So I really enjoy this. How many carbs are in here? So it has 13 carbs in here, but I think it's a different type of carb. So it has 3 grams of net carbs, 5 grams of MTC, so it has some protein in there. You got fiber, organic greens, and you got your 4 billion of probiotics. And it's gluten and soy free, no sugar, alcohol, it's no artificial sweeteners, and it's not GMO. I think I want to try the plant-based one, simply because like I tend to not like try to drink or have too much dairy, but this is like so lovely. It's just so good and creamy. Like I haven't had a shake like this ever. It's like coconut cream. It's not heavy coconut. It's not very heavy coconut. It kind of puts me in the mind of like a coconut shake I had when I was in Aruba. They pretty much cut up the coconut and, you know, blended and put cinnamon, all this stuff. I mean, well, except for the cinnamon, but it was just so good. And this is like really good. So you get 6 for $48. You go buy them separately. I haven't seen anything cheaper. I guess I keep looking and stuff, but this stuff right here, this is good. This is good. And so I've tried the 6. This is my last one. So you guys can go and check it out. You know, if you're looking for like a meal replacement or something like that in the morning, or something in the afternoon, or, you know, it's just something really quick to go to have for yourself. You know, if you need to have like a meal or something. So, and I really like enjoy having this for my breakfast. So I can't wait to get my package of my next set, because it's good for work. So, but yeah guys, that's all, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.